uko niko byatangiye irobo irimo irabyina uri kwibaza ese byari byagenze gute aho rero twari tugiye kujya kuri Great Wall cyangwa se ku rukuta runini ruzwi mu Bushinwa cyangwa se ahantu hafite amateka akomeye cyane rero uru rukuta rwubatswe mu 1368 mu gihe cya Qing Dynasty ubwo nyine abantu muzi amateka murahita mubyumva cyane aho rero ni itsinda rinini ry'abantu batandukanye nako hahora hajya abantu batandukanye bitewe n'amateka yihariye ushobora kuba warabisomye mu gitabo warabyumvise ariko uyu munsi tugiye kugutwara kuri Great Wall ubundi se Great Wall isobanura iki yari imaze iki cyangwa se ahantu habitse amateka ameza ate rero ni urukuta runini rufite agace kanini k'Ubushinwa ubundi kari gashinzwe gukingira cyangwa se kwirinda abanzi twagiye dufata amafoto atandukanye n'Abashinwa kuko kana kitwa kashishi ni keza cyane kari very hospitality nyine karishima she's very cool naragakunze cyane aho rero mbere yo kuzamuka cyangwa se guterera twabanje kujya kureba imyiyereko y'Abashinwa murabizi umuco ni imbere babanza batwereka ibigezweho ibyo bafite irobo nyine amadoro batangira rapara byina aho rero ni igihe cya festival flower festival niko babyita cyane iyo bari kuva mu gihe cy'ubukonje right yego bajya mu gihe cy'ubushyuhe niba ntibeshye aho rero niho nahuriye na rya robo ndavuga rero turabyina rero uburyo iterambere rimeze hano mu Bushinwa n'urundi rwego
You cannot breathe.
She can't. Oh. How does it feel?
Oh my God, it's really nice. My first time like shaking hands with a robot. It's really nice. You can see it's like a human.
Yeah.
It's even waving to the people. Wow. Does it have a name? Can I name it? I call it Andro.
Yeah. As you wish.
Oh my God. But there is someone who's in control, like.
Yeah, perhaps the one who has.
Oh, it can dance. Wow.
Yeah.
Can I dance with it?
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. That's great.
aha rero twari tugiye gufata bisi mubanza mukanyura nko kuri Tooth Station kugira ngo mubone guterera hari abaterera hari n'abagenda na cab so you choose what you want according what you need so abenshi baraterera bashaka kureba nyine uburebure bwaho kuko na amasaha 3 cyangwa se 2 n'amaguru uzamutse hejuru cyane ariko kuba dafite imbaraga ukoresha cab car so we had to take cab car aho ugenda hari abantu batandukanye nako abantu batandatu nibo bemerewe kujya muri iyo cab akaba ariyo mujyamo rero we had our Chinese friend yagiye dusobanura byinshi byimbitse kuri uru rukuta
not a real person or a real man unless you reach your destination to the Great Wall. And this poetry was originated from this poet because it's the last destination and last mountain they have conquered during the Long March. Did you know Long March?
Long March?
Yeah, it's in the military history, and we fight against the other part of the troops led by Jiang. And Jiang was founded by America, and so that's why we win this this hard battle. And Long March made a great contribution. And when they finally climbed the lastest mountain in China, and the chairman Mao Zedong, Chairman Mao wrote this song, wrote this poetry, like 不到长城非好汉, you are not a real person until you made yourself to the Great Wall, because all the journey they have been there. Yeah.
It's like to climb this Great Wall, you are a hero.
Yeah, yeah, you are a hero. Okay. And because of the meaning back then, the Great Wall represents that all time's efforts and a long time effort. And the Great Wall in the Asian China, they are protect us from the people from north. So that's why we built the Great Wall together.
Yes.
During up there, you could see that the little tiny hole on it. There is a place for soldiers to shoot the arrow.
Okay.
Yeah, and all those, you can see there's a dot. There's a building back there. In there, they can fire some the wood and the shit come from the wolf because they can create so many smokes back there. And when they fire something, they are sending all the messages. Is we are under attack.
Urazengurutse cyane uzengurutse igice kinini cy'Ubushinwa.
Rwanda. I'm at the Great Wall, at the peak of the mountain. Oh my God, I feel, oh my God, this place is so amazing. This is among of the greatest place in China, the greatest, I don't know how to describe it, but as its name says, Great Wall, it's very great. So if you have heard about this place, you know that this place keeps a lot of history about life of China, how they fought for this place, how they protected their land. So me too, today I'm a hero because I'm at the Great Wall. So even to see people all over the world, Asia, America, Africa, everyone is coming here to see the history. So me too, I said, why not? I should come and I learn more about China. So I'm enjoying the view, I'm enjoying the atmosphere, I'm enjoying nice people I met, wonderful people, the hospitality is mwah.
Hi everyone, now I'm right here in the Great Wall of China. Look at the scenery behind me, it's very fantastic. Oh my God, now I'm already here, I made it.
Uwo mushinwa rero yari arimo aramfasha kwiga ya sirogo yabo ni mu Gishinwa, of course ntago nyizi neza, rero yari ari kumbwira uburyo babivuga ati you are not a real man if you are not rich. If oh my God, English is Englishing. You're not a real man if you have not yet reached to the Great Wall. So bafite uburyo babivuga mu Gishinwa. I was like, wow, this is good.
Yeah. 不到长城，非好汉。Yes. Yes. Yes. That's way better than before.
Thank you.
Yeah. That's great.
Aho rero nari kumwe n'abanyamakuru bari kubaza uburyo nabyakiriye, uburyo nyine byinshi wenda narinzi cyangwa se icyo ntarinzi nkaba nakibonye nyine like to express how I feel. So nyuma y'ibyo nanjye narababwira rero mfite aho nkomoka, mfite igihugu cyanjye, land of southern hills. So mbabwira byinshi bice bitandukanye bw'igihugu cyanjye ushobora gusura, mbabwira mountain gorilla mountain of course, mbabwira ahantu henshi heza iwacu mu Rwanda. So narifotoye pe amafoto yose ashoboka. So we had to go back. This is my friends who were together. This is Kabuka, of course. We had to go back. Yeah. So ibi ni ibyo bya Great Wall. Rero ku muntu uvuye bamuha n'impano, two n'udukapo rero batangiye for free twanditseho Great Wall. Bye.